Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the coding for the prepend method. Basically we are going to add an element at the starting of the linked list. Okay, so basically if you see the question, implement a method called prepend that adds a new node at the beginning of the linked list. Okay, so same structure. We have to write the code here at the given space. So let's begin. So we'll just write it as public um, void, and what's the method name? Prepend. Okay, now prepend, right? So we have to definitely take a value as the argument there. So we're just taking it there. Now step one we have already performed, accept an integer. Now create a new node with the object called new node. So we'll just create a new node now. Okay, so new node equals new node and just pass on the value. Okay, the next thing is now imagine, okay, if the at the very beginning, let's say the length was equal to 0. That means there were no elements in the linked list. Then what we'll do? We'll have to just point both head and tail to the new node, isn't it? Right? So that's what we are going to do. Head is equal to new node. Tail is also equal to the new node. That's it. Okay. Now, if that is the case, it's fine. But let's say the length was already having some values. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something. Okay. Then what do? We have to add the element or the new node at the very beginning of the linked list, right? So in that case, what do? Um, we set the next attribute of the new node. That is the new node. The next attribute is what? Nothing but pointing to the head. Now imagine the new node which is created. The next of that new node is now pointing to the head. Okay, that means now head and new node both are pointing to head. And then later what do? Later we just write head is equal to new node. That is, now the head is pointing to the new node. Okay, and new node, that next is the head element here, right? Basically the one which was head before. Correct? That's it. Once you're done to that stage, we have to just increment the length of the data structure by 1, and yeah, that's it. If you run the test cases, hopefully it should be all passed. Amazing. That's it. See, all the test cases have passed, and we are able to append a node to the beginning of the linked list. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video then. Thank you.